Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. For those of you that are existing subscribers, you are most welcome. Those of you that are new, you are also most welcome. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos that I produce. So welcome to today's PowerPoint presentation, and as you can see, it is in the English vocabulary 20 at a time section. So I've grouped the things that I want to talk about into herbs, spices and seeds. Okay, so once again, some things can be put into more than one category, so that's why I've done it like this. So I was thinking of something like coriander. So for us, that's used as a leaf. It's also used as a powder, and it's also used as a seed. Okay, so there are so many of these, of course, that I think I'll need more than one part, perhaps 2 or 3 even. Okay, so there are 20 words in this PowerPoint and in this section of things that I do. So in the first section, I'm introducing the word to you, and I ask you to repeat the word. And in the second section, I'm merely going to ask, what is this? And expect you to repeat the word, but I have given you a help by writing it. This is, and then the first letter of the word and the number of letters that there are. Before we start, as always, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, particularly the subscribe. We are moving along quite well, approaching 400, but I really would like that to be accelerated so that I can achieve the 1,000. So in addition to my channel, you'll find 3 others in the description box. They are very different channels, but nonetheless doing a great job, and please try and subscribe if you can. So let's make a start. Amaranthus. This is amaranthus. You say it, amaranthus. Basil. This is basil. You say it, basil. Cloves. This is cloves. You say it, cloves. Cumin seed. This is cumin seed. You say it, cumin seed. Curry leaf. This is curry leaf. You say it, curry leaf. Dill. This is dill. You say it, dill. Flax seed. This is flax seed. You say it, flax seed. Ginger. This is ginger. You say it, ginger. Green gram. This is green gram. Your turn, you say it, green gram. Horseradish. This is horseradish. You say it, horseradish. Lemon balm. This is lemon balm. You say it, lemon balm. Licorice. This is licorice. You say it, licorice. Mustard seed. This is mustard seed. You say it, mustard seed. Nigella seed. This is Nigella seed. Your turn, you say it, Nigella seed. Poppy seed. This is poppy seed. You say it, poppy seed. Pumpkin seed. This is pumpkin seed. You say it, pumpkin seed. Red chili powder. This is red chili powder. You say it, red chili powder. Sage. This is sage. You say it, sage. Salt. This is salt. You say it, salt. And finally, tamarind. This is tamarind. You say it, tamarind. Okay, well done everybody. So I do hope you're going to remember those, and I do hope that you've learnt those. So it's time to recap now. So I will merely show you the picture, and as I say, the word is written out for you. What is this? So you are expected to say this is, and as you can see, I've written the first letter and the number of letters that there are. What is this? 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 Okay, so that was the final one. So well done everybody. So I do hope that you've enjoyed learning those 20 words for herbs, spices. It just remains for me to say thank you for watching, and I make the plea once again, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, particularly the subscribe. I need your help to succeed. And as I've said at the beginning, please, if you look in the description section, there are 3 other channels that are good friends of mine. Please try and support them as well. So it just remains for me to say once again a big thank you. Look after yourselves, look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज, खुदा हाफिज.